Tens of thousands of pro-Palestinian protesters marched through central London on November 11th to show support for the Palestinians and call for a ceasefire from Israel's bombardment of the Gaza Strip. "I'm on the side of humanity," one protester said. "I think there should be a ceasefire, and I think the moderates should take over and get it into discussions and try and bring this thing to an end. I don't know how, I don't have any answers, but that's what I think." The pro-Palestinian march also drew counter-protesters from right-wing groups on Armistice Day, the anniversary of the end of World War I, involving commemorations of Britain's war dead. Since Hamas's assault in southern Israel on October 7, there has been strong support and sympathy for Israel from Western governments, including Britain's, and many citizens. But the Israeli military response has also prompted anger, with weekly protests in London demanding a ceasefire.
But that's what I think.
Is a terrorist state. 1, 2, 3, 4. Occupation no more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Israel is a terrorist state. Ceasefire now! Ceasefire now! Ceasefire will be free!